Here today at the Institute of Higher Pondology with Landon Wiet from Natural Lake Biosciences. Landon, tell me about your company.
Well, first of all, thank you for having me here. I'm so excited to be with the Pond Boss and all of Bob's friends, and just to be part of this amazing event and this the culture and this experience. My company, Natural Lake Biosciences, we are a laboratory and manufacturer. We specialize in manufacturing biological products for lake and pond management professionals. We also have laboratory services for diagnostics from algae identification, water quality, and for sediment phosphorus fractionation to build you a full nutrient profile for your lake or pond so you can make better management decisions.
Pretty cool. I loved your presentation. I always learn something new when people come in, so it's pretty good. How do we get a hold of you?
Easiest way to get a hold of us is to call the office at 888-757-9575 or email us at info@naturallake.com.
Thanks. Appreciate it.